Hi guys, I'm Luca from Pinabox and today I'll be showing you how to make your first request with Pinabox. I guess by now you know that Pinabox is a storage on demand service here in Spain. At the moment we're operating in Madrid, Barcelona, Sevilla and opening Malaga soon. So you should be covered if you live in any of these cities. You can hit this button or this button and start a process of calculation of your estimated price. The purpose of this widget here is to help you estimate the space you might be needing from Pinabox to pick up and store. In Spanish, this means width, this is height, and this is the depth of the space your items will be occupying once they are stored. How to estimate? Well, it's quite easy. Just pile up your stuff, optimize the space they're occupying, and then use these handles to get the estimation in volume. So let's say you're trying to store a sofa, for example. Well, the width of your sofa is probably around 2 meters, and the height is around 1 meter, 125. It doesn't matter, and the depth is 1 meter. So you'll be needing 2.5 cubic meters of space. This corresponds to 58 euros per month if you paid month by month, but you also have options to pay it 6 months in advance and 12 months in advance. So let's say you know that you'll be staying with us or you'll be needing a storage room for 1 year. You choose this and then you are basically saving 174 euros because now the price per month is 45 euros. That would be the equivalent of the price you'll be paying per month. So let's go back to month by month model. You've decided this is more or less that you'll be needing. As I previously said, it doesn't really matter because when our carriers go to your house or your office, they will tell you that this space is not enough or this is too much for what you need, and we will adjust this price accordingly. So let's go to the next step. To continue, you will need a Pinabox account. You can create it by using your Facebook login, which is a quick and nice solution, or you can go by classical email password combination. To do so, go to register. Now give us your name. In my case it's Luca. Your email, I'll make a fake one. This is not the real email, obviously. I hope there is no luca.com. I'll choose a password. I'll confirm my password and I will register. At this point, you will be sent an email to this address asking you to confirm this email address. It's not mandatory, but we recommend you to do so because that way our emails won't be getting into your spam folders and stuff like that. So we said 2.5 month by month. These are the frequently asked questions, everything in Spanish. Again, you can translate this page to English if you're using Google Chrome. There is a translate option. This is the most important page. First, we need you to introduce is your zip code, your postal code. In my case, is 28003. Choose it from here, and the widget will tell you that the code is correct and that we operate there by giving you this, and it will suggest some days and hours that you can program the pickup for. Let's say on 25th of May at 8, I want the pickup to happen. This is the name of the contact person. This is the personal ID, can be passport number for text purposes. Put yours here. This is the street where we will be picking it up. This is the number of the street, the phone number of the person who will be in the apartment or the office when we come to pick it up. This is the person we'll be contacting half an hour before we go there. And this last field is basically for any extra information you might give us, such as which floor it is if there is anything delicate we need to be aware of, if there is an elevator, maybe you want to tell us that you don't need boxes, or maybe you need more boxes than you would normally need, whatever. So after filling this form, we're ready to go. On 22nd of May at 8, you will be called half an hour before by our carriers just to confirm the address and that you're at home. So no worries there. You need to accept the terms and conditions, which basically become our contract. The prices are with VAT, or in Spanish IVA, and the price always includes the cost of the pickup. Here we're just saying that we reserve the right to adjust the price accordingly. If, for example, if your estimation was wrong, because in the end it's 3 cubic meters, or even if it's 2, we will adjust that price accordingly. And this is the last page of the process. These are the 3 steps, and this is the payment part. Still the summary, the same information we've seen so far. So let's add our card details here into this box. I introduce my credit card number, the expiry date, and the security number that's usually on the back of your card. With this information entered, we are ready to process your card and create your subscription. So hit finalize and pay. Great, we have received your payment. Everything went well. Your pickup is programmed for the day you asked and for the hour you asked for. Here we are informing you again that an email with the same details has arrived to your email address. Please take us out of your spam folder if we are there. So this is our request confirmation page. You can see here that you can see here that it has been paid. The pickup will be on 25th of May at 8 p.m. The contact person is Luca. We will be calling Luca at this number half an hour before just to confirm that we are arriving. This is the street, this is the postal code, and this is the information you provided us with, the estimation and the price. Here you can cancel the request if you decide to do so. But if you keep it like this open on 25th of May at 7:30, someone will call you to basically tell you that the carriers are on their way to pick the stuff up. And this is how you make your first Pinabox request. Thank you for watching.